Hello everyone, in this video let's start making some changes in web application like we are going to change this dollar symbol to the Indian rupees, and we're going to make this about to be more functional, and this contact tab, and apart from that, checkout, we'll get one checkout tab, right? We are going to do some functionality on that. Okay, yeah, come, let's see. Let's type a prompt to the agent. Dollar to Indian rupees. Okay, then user, then make user back tab, and also check out button. So if you notice here, I'm not using the Gemini since I have crossed the limit. So now I'm going with some another module that is called as Clouds Sonnet. Okay, yeah, let's wait until it get completes, and let's check the function, whether the functionality is working or not. Once it done, again we'll navigate to the browser with the same link, and we'll check whether the dollar symbol got changed to the Indian rupees, the pricing has been changed to Indian rupees, and the about tab and contact tab is working or not. Okay, let's wait and check. I think, yeah, I think it's almost done. Okay, let me open this implementation plan. Okay, let's see. Let's refresh the page and let's see. Okay, now let me just click onto this. Okay, I prefer different INR prices and keep about this as, yeah, let's see, at least it should work now. Let's close this tab now. So if you noticed here why we are not getting any changes, the changes has been not yet reflected. You can see clearly over here, right? So agent is saying that since I haven't seen any changes, because the agent is waiting for my response to send the price INR prices before it implements. Because of that reason only, it's not reflecting in the application. Okay, it's got started generating now. It's still in progress, and let's wait and check. So if you notice here, it is still in progress, and it is showing that like integrating about and contact sections into app and adding checkout functionality. So it's still in progress to add those functionalities to the application. So it's launching to the browser automatically to check the functionality whether it's working fine or not. So the restaurant app got launched. The agent has taken a control. I cannot do anything on this page since agent has taken the control. Let's wait until it get completes. Okay, the prices got changed now. Now, what the agent is going to do? Let's still wait for some time and check what the agent is going to do. Okay. So about is also got added in the bottom of the web application. Okay, with contact details. So agent is trying to add the item and going to click the checkout button. So previously, the prices was in the dollar symbol. Now it got converted to the Indian rupees, and the agent has made the changes for the about and contact detail. Now user can able to click to the about button, then contact button, then you can then user can also click on the checkout button as well. So this and all functionalities is working fine. Let's wait until it get complete. Still it's still in progress. Now the agent is checking, testing. It's still in testing mode. Okay, so it got completed. Let's see here. It's still in red color, so let's wait for some more minutes. Now it got created a walkthrough. Let's click on accept all. Okay, so this is what about the walkthrough. Previously the price old prices was in the dollar symbol like USD. Now it got converted into Indian rupees. Okay, so in the about section they have added the so many information regarding the restaurant story and founding information. And if you see the contact details here, it has been added for the address, phone, hours and email. Okay, so this is what the agent has done the changes as per our requirements. Let's click on to this URL. Okay, so as I told you that I'm going to change this pricing from dollar to Indian currency, and I have added a about section over here. Then at the end, it has been added for the contact information. Okay, so let's type something. Let's type and check. Okay, so email ID. If I'm giving any of the wrong email ID, let's check whether it's working fine or not. If I'm entering any of the invalid email address, let's check whether it's popping any error or any warning message or not. I'm just checking this functionality by giving incorrect email address. Okay, just click on send. I'll just type something with some alphabets just for the checking purpose. Okay, so even after putting an invalid email address, it's it's responding. It's not even showing the warning message. Instead, it's showing that thank you Zamarisha, we'll get back to you soon, something like that. Okay, so I don't want it to do this. I mean, instead of that, I want the I want the agent, whenever the user is mentioning any invalid email address or invalid name, the it should pop up. It should pop up and it should give some warning message, like enter a proper email ID or incorrect email ID, something like that. Okay. Now let's see the another functionality. Let me add this to the cart, and I'm clicking to the checkout. Okay, so it got order placed successfully. Thank you for your purchase. Okay, now this functionality is working fine. Just click on next. Sorry, okay. Yeah, this tab is also working fine. Okay, let's check and let me ask to agent to do some more changes. And section so that user can able to enter valid phone number, and user should enter valid email ID. So in this prompt, I'm asking to agent to do some changes in my web application. As you see in the web application currently, if you are giving any incorrect email address, it's taking, it's responding. I don't want it to see that. If it is an invalid, it should throw some error or some pop up something. So I want to do these changes. I'm asking. I have sent a prompt to the agent to do this changes in my web application. Okay, so let's see whether it's going to be updated or not. Okay, let's wait for some time to get it finished. So if you see here, the agent has again taken a control. Okay. So here it got completed now. Let's see in the terminal like whether it's still working or not. Let's wait for some time to get it complete. Yeah, it's done now. Let's launch the URL again. Let's give any invalid. Okay, so it's asking for the valid phone number, but it is still not asking for the valid email ID. Now let's give a proper number. Okay, so the functionality is working fine, but for the email ID is still taking invalid one. Okay, let's go to the agent page. Again, we'll just ask the agent. Let's write a prompt again. Home page, then sign in, sign in tab. What else we can add? Then add profile tab. Let's navigate to the application in the card. Okay, in the card before checkout button, add the payment details, payment method, checkout button. Yeah, we have sent a prompt, and now I wanted to the agent to be done like if the user are putting any invalid email ID, it should as like for the phone number it got responded right in and please enter a valid mobile number, something like that. Same things like say same thing I wanted to do it for the email address also. If the user is providing any invalid email address, it should get pop up. It should throw some error like please enter a valid one, valid email address, something like that. Okay, so apart from that I wanted to add one home page tab. Then I wanted to add sign in tab along with this. Like in the cart, right? We are having a checkout button. So if we are going to add any of the item from the list, so it's directly giving a checkout button. So I also wanted to add some payment information over here. I mean payment method. So I have written a prompt to the agent. Let's see how it's going to work. We'll just wait until it get complete. So click on accept all. Again, it's asking to accept the button, accept all. So the agent has taken control again to make some changes. If you see here, it got added with the home tab, then signing tab, and along with that we have asked for the email, like a proper email address. The email should be a valid one. Okay, so this is working fine. Yeah, it's almost done now. Again, let's relaunch the web page now. So home tab got added, but it's not responding. Signing tab is responding. Dot dot invalid one. Hmm. Okay, so with invalid also it got added. Okay, we can able to sign out this. Now I want to check this one. Okay, this is a payment method. Then click on checkout. Okay, that is done. Now here. Okay, let me write another prompt to the agent. characters. I want to do some more changes in my web application, so I've written a comment to the agent to respond my requirement, whatever I have mentioned to do. Okay, so let's wait, and again we'll check the web application. Okay, so again, the agent has taken a control and it's testing each and everything. So if you are giving any invalid password, uh, whether it's responding or not, if it is an invalid, it will be throwing as error like this, like password must be exactly 7 characters, something like that. Okay, it should not be special characters included while entering the password. Now, yeah, once it done, let's check the functionality again by relaunching the URL. Okay. Okay, now let's check this. It's still running over here. Let's wait some more time for just for a few minutes and it will be completing soon. It's going to be complete now almost. Mhm. Yeah, it's almost done now. Again, let's click to this URL. So it's still this email, it's still not yet responding properly. So we'll check into that. Till that, we'll check this. Let me add some special character. Okay. Okay, here also the email is not responding yet. Okay, let me put a proper password so it's working fine, but still email is not responding properly. Let's do some more changes. Looks like agent has taken control. Now let's check in the browser. I think it's working fine now. Let me launch the URL again. Okay. If we are entering anything with an improper email ID, like if you are missing any .com in something like that, it's throwing an error. Okay, just click on OK. Mm, okay, here also it's working fine. .com. Yeah, yeah, it's working fine now. Just click on sign out. It got sign out. Yeah, if you're clicking to the home page, it's going to the home page. If you're clicking to the menu, it's scrolling down. Yeah, that's all for the day. In the next video, we'll learn something new, and we'll learn we learn to build different apps with different languages. Okay. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you.